Hello everyone, we are the Team Zero Buggers and our problem statement is from Directorate of Technical Education, Chandigarh. And our problem statement is to track and control inmates inside the jail. So let's see what's the objective of our project. Our project tracker mate aims to prevent the suspicious activities taking place inside the jail by the inmates. And let's see how it is done. Our system includes a very simple setup. It just includes a webcam and a screen. This system will be placed in front of each block along with the turnstile. So when a prisoner wants to leave his block and visit another block, he has to cross the turnstile. The turnstile opens for the prisoner only after checking the database if he is allowed to go to a certain place. So once his face is recognized in the webcam, he'll be displayed with options where he is allowed to go and the prisoner has to select the case. There's already a maximum threshold time being set for the prisoner to travel to each place, and if the prisoner doesn't make it within the maximum threshold time to the given destined place, a notification is being sent to the jailer. And at the same time, if the place he has to go and the place he has gone doesn't match, again a notification is being sent to the jailer. And after the person returns to the block, even after the threshold time matching, he is being checked with emotional intelligence camera where if any agitation is shown on his face, a notification is being sent. So here is an example. In our first case, the prisoner's destination is being set to B, but the prisoner goes to the destination point C, which is not his actual destination place. So at this point, the turnstile in that block will not allow the person to enter into that block and a notification will be sent. And in this example, the prisoner's destination point is point C, but he doesn't reach the place C within the given threshold time. So automatically a notification is being sent to the jailer. In this case, the prisoner reaches his destination point C within the threshold time and returns back. But in this case, the webcam detects if he has any agitation in his face, and if it is so, a detection is being sent with a notification to the jailer. Additional features. Every inmate is given 100 credit points, and this reduces every time when the person is suspected. And his points reduces and the time limit for him to go out also reduces. And the credit points can be renewed every month owing on the Human Rights Commission. So this is our tech stack. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.